when it comes to soldering, there's a few basic things you're going to need. Obviously, a soldering iron, some solder, and I'd also keep a damp sponge and some water you can spray on that, just to clean off the tip of your soldering iron every now and then. So if you've never soldered before, a couple of things just to keep in mind. You should always keep the tip of your soldering iron tinned. So you can see I've got a covering here of solder. That stops the tip from oxidizing. Otherwise, what will happen is the solder will have trouble sticking to your iron and makes it difficult to make your connections. And we also need to tin our wires and also the lugs we're connecting to on the components. The other thing to remember about solder, it's not like gluing two objects together. What we're really trying to do is transfer heat. So the soldering iron's very hot, the solder sticks to that. So the lugs that we connect the wire to and the wire itself, we need to heat up first. So I'd always leave the iron against the component first for a little while before feeding just a small amount of solder in to make the connection.